Hi, happy Easter, happy Passover. This is a message for everyone to feel good today. This is a feel good exercise. This is the visualization of a miracle that you are today. And it's for you to stop what you're doing and just breathe. Breathe in and breathe out fear. Breathe in love. Breathe out fear. Breathe in possibility. Breathe out joy. Follow me. Breathe in love. Hold your breath. Exhale slowly. See the smile coming. See the energy flowing. See the calmness going. As you breathe in desire. Exhale love. See the smile coming on. Look left eye to left eye with me. Breathe in. Breathe out. 4 more of those. Breathe in. Breathe out. Just taking a moment today, whoever's watching, whoever's tuning in, to just be in the breath. Inhale. Exhale. See the smile bringing more light into your life, more possibility by stopping and feeling and noticing this very moment. This is the only moment you have, and only this moment is promised. Stay with that thought. What we're doing is bringing in more love into this area, more expansion, more love, more expansion, more possibilities, more desires, and manifestation by expanding your frequency, your energy, your vibration, by being calm, by breathing in love, by expanding all the fear to let go. As you say, I let go now on this special day, a day that is unbelievably a miracle, is right now. Let's do another deep breath in. Let's hold the breath for 20 seconds now. So we're going to practice that. So we're going to inhale. I'm not going to breathe with you. I'm just going to count 20 and then I'm going to say exhale. So this is the second tier of our exercise today. So here it is. Inhale. Hold the breath for 20. Slowly. We're going to do that 2 more times, okay? We're closing down the nervous system. We're getting ourselves centered. We're recalibrating your hormones. So here we go. Inhale. 20 seconds. Do you feel that? Like if you can't feel it for yourself, then breathe in with me and breathe out with me. And we're going to try it one more time, 20 seconds. Inhale when I say inhale. We'll hold it for 20. Exhale. And then notice if things get a little brighter. Notice if you're calming your nervous system. Notice if you're just coming together to a still point. Right here. Okay. Last one. Inhale. Last one for this beautiful 2-part breathing meditation today with Rori. Hold on. So let's do it. Inhale. See now for 30 seconds. Stay here, left eye to left eye. Breathe in love, in silence. A little smile. Feel the energy of that. That's amazing. That's what love is. That's energy. Feel into that. Thank you for tuning in for a beautiful moment today, a beautiful holiday to celebrate that this is a moment where every day could be this powerful. Every day could be this beautiful. Thank you for tuning in. And I love to connect with you longer, more deeply on this path together. Thank you for tuning in.